Hey guys, let's see how to make this animation effects and how to make the attractive look on your objects. So let's start and let's learn how to make attractive animation with CSS. But first, please subscribe this channel. And now let's start with this coding part. So here I have created the two divisions of where I have where I have start I have make two square. So for first square, this is the CSS for the first square where I have used margin, width, height, and background color, and this is the animation, which is the main part of this tutorial animation. So here I have used shake animation. So for that, you can see this is the part of shake animation. So this is the declaration. Actually, this is a declaration of the shake animation where I have just declared the whole time divisions or process divisions where I have declared 10, 90, 20, 80, 30, 50, 70, 40, 80 and different variations. And after that I have just mentioned the animation name with the timing duration, as well as this is for a loop purpose, so the animation will run in infinite time. Okay, so now let's see how it will look in actual application. So here you can see this will run in infinite time, and this will run when I'm going to just put my hover on that object. So you can see this is the very easy way to make your object animate. Now we are going to see how to make bouncing effect. So for that I have used this bounce square division. Okay, and for that I have used this CSS. Okay, you can see this CSS where I have just changed in the animation. Instead of shake, I have used bounce animation within 1 second time duration. But this animation has a one difference. Shake one have a variant in x-axis, while this one has variant in y-axis. Okay, so you can see here I have a differentiate the value of y-axis only. Okay, so the shake and bounce will be same, but we have to just change in the x and y axis only. So this is the very easy way to see how to make that animate. Okay, and this is the this is the hover effect. So when we're going to hover the object, and after that only this animation will come out, otherwise it will be stare. Okay, so let's see that how the bounce will work. So here you can see this is the shake in upward direction, so we can say this is the bounce as well. Okay, now let's see how to make a circle scaled out. Okay, so for that we have we have to just make circle animation, and for that this is the property of circle animation where I have a differentiate the whole process in three division: 0%, 60%, and 100%. At the 0%, I have used scale 0.5. At 60%, I have make scale 1.4, and 100% I have make scale 1 only. Okay, so and your opacity will be 0 to 1. Okay. When it will come to 60%, it will be fully visible. Okay, so this is the main circle animation part. So you can use this code for and make circle animation, or you can see this will looking like a scaling or zoom out animation. Okay, so this is the simple code this is a simple scaling animation which can make your site more interactive. Okay, so you can use this, you can find this code from the from the blog site, which is uh, which is, which is linked in description. Okay, so now let's here you can see here I have just the same as usual define finite time of for that animation. Okay, and give that time duration for that animation. Okay, so now let's see how it will going to look. You can see here this looks very awesome, and when you put in your page it will make more interactive. Okay, now let's see the arrow effect. Okay, so this effect will look more interactive for that for your user, where arrow will be moving in left direction, or you can do it right direction as well. So for that I have made this arrow with an border. So this is the border left, border right, border bottom, border top, where I usually with that borders I usually make this arrow. And in animation I have given arrow animation, and this is the declaration of the arrow animation. Okay, so here I have just differentiate the process in three parts: 0%, 50%, and 100%. And at the part I have just a varied border left only. Okay, so I have just differentiated the value of border left only, where default as a 4.5, so I have made 4.5, 5.5, 4.5, so it will be goes uh, static, then one u width at the left side and the backward side. Okay, so you can see here this arrow animation looks great, and you can add when you want to show the direction on your page. Now let's see how it will look, how the whole four animation will look on the page. So for that we have to just change the division ID, so object will look perfect. Okay, so let's do that. Here I have to make a check square, bounce square, bounce square, then circle one and circle one too. Okay, now let's save it and run it. How it will look. Oh, this arrow will override on this square, so just to make it at the end. Okay, put it at the end, and here we have to add breaks. Now let's see, and you can see here this look perfect, and you can use those animations in your website. And for code purpose you can go through this blog, which is linked in description. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching guys. Please like this video, share this video, and